Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video I am going to share you another new great DeFi program named Swash Finance, and the website link is swash.finance. As you know guys, there are many scam projects that came into the market and these came very fast without paying an investment back. But the Swash Finance is a great trusted platform from a trusted admin. If you buy this coin now, it may be profitable to you in the future, but invest at at your own risk. So when you open this site, you can check Safe Moon inspired 5% buy sales and 5% plus liquidity locked contract re-announced 20,000 marketing for 60 days. You can join their Telegram chat here. Here you can check the white paper roadmap and chat you can do at the Telegram. Here you can chat. If you click the chat button here, you can check the coupon chart here. Here you can check the Swash Finance Swash BNB the live price of, and here you can check the total supply of this, and here you can check the market capitals 1.7 million. And when you go down here, you can check it's growing like rocket. If you want to buy here, you can buy now and it will be profitable to you. You can check there are only buyers now, very less sellers, at least no seller I am finding. And when you click here BSC scan, you will get to know about BSC scan. You can check the total supply here, and you can check the holders are 1718. There are transaction of 5598. You can check the decimal digit is 9. Here you can check the contract address. How you can buy this coin? You can simply buy this coin by simply clicking here. It will take you to PancakeSwap. There you have to simply click I understand button now, then click continue, then connect your wallet here. Then you can swap from BNB to Swash. Like if I want to buy from 1 BNB, this much of amount of Swash I will get. You can simply swap from BNB or other crypto to Swash, and you will get here swap button. You can simply swap. Then liquidity should be, and this should be 12%. Slippage which should be 12%. And when you go down here, you can check the white paper of the site. If you click white paper here, if you click white paper here, it's been loading white paper. I will show you the white paper of this site. So here the white paper is there. It is of 9 pages, so you can check the white paper fully here. If you want to read, you can simply read the white paper fully from this here. And when you go down into the site, and when you go down, you can check it's time to embed Swamp as Swash is a meme token based of a more aggressive Safe Moon contract. We are here to hold. This is not about pump and dump making money, it's about surviving. And you can check all it's about surviving this cruel world with Swamp S. Are you interested in joining the rest of the Swamp S? You can check here. You can simply buy Swamp S here. I already told you how you can buy. You can check time we had Swamp as this much of amount. It is increasing. And here you can check the simply roadmap of the site. You can watch this full roadmap of the site: marketing initiative, listing, re-announce, contract ownership, charity donation, and it is a NFT integration and charity donation. It is a charity token also. You can say it. Here you can check swap. We did Swash Finance is live as well as the Let the Adventures Begin. You can join their Telegram chat from here. This is Twitter, this is Facebook, and this is Discord server of this site. Swiss Finance All Right Reserve 2021. So the token and the site is very great. If you want to buy this token and site, right? If you want to buy this token, you will get all the